Did you know South Korea literally ran out of room for its dead? And the solution is something you'd never guess in a million years. By the 1990s, the country was in full crisis mode. Cemeteries were eating up so much land that the government had to step in and cap burial time at 60 years. After that, your family has to move you, or find another option. And the option most people landed on is genuinely wild. They take the cremated remains, put them under intense heat and pressure, and compress them into small, smooth beads, like little gemstones. They come out in soft colors, blue, green, pink, depending on the minerals in the bone. Then families just put them in a glass dish, on the shelf, next to the TV, not hidden, not buried, just sitting there in the living room where anyone can see them. And families say it actually helps. They feel less alone knowing grandma is right there during movie night, which is either really beautiful or the setup to a horror film, possibly both.